Hello, hello everybody. Welcome to Caged Bird episode 9. So let's get started again in Caged Bird Lost Mystery Story. So let's continue. Yes. Just shut the voice a little bit because it's too loud. Too loud. Like really loud. Wait, what? Wait, didn't we stop at you and Jewel exchange looks before you continue? Okay, wait guys, I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, okay, I'm here. You and Jewel exchange looks before you continue. That's correct, sir. Did you see her on that scooter? The guard looks at you for a moment and then answers you. What does the guard say? Sure, I saw her. I saw that scooter. I remember her black hair. Sure, I saw her. Sure, I saw her. She was such a pretty little thing. Thank goodness, Surely he can tell me more. But I'm afraid that's all I say. That's all I saw. I left right after I saw her across the parking lot by herself. All the air seems to escape you as Jewel leads you back to the car. I thought for sure he would learn something from the security guard. Don't give up hope. This isn't the last straw. It currently feels like the last straw. I think I'm just exhausted from all this worrying about Coral. I agree. This day has been very tiring, especially when we keep running into roadblocks. They should have said dead ends, not roadblocks. After you climb back into the car, you lean your head back into the seat. Jewel looks at you for direction again. Okay, Buttercup, now what? Well, as much as I would like to keep looking for Coral, I think I'm going to leave to give it a rest for a bit. Giving up so soon? You smile weakly at Becky's questions. Not giving up, but I am going to take a short break. I just have to make up my mind about what I'm going to do next. I have two options. I can either go home for a little rest, or I can go on to work as I had previously planned. As Jewel starts the car, he looks to you for your decision. Well, have you made up your mind? I think I have. Will you be going home or will you be going to work? Okay. I'm gonna go to work. Do you want to save your progress? If not, your current progress may be lost. Okay. We'll just wait until we save our progress. I think I will just suck it up and go into work as planned. Maybe work will take my mind off all this drama. Are you sure today has been a really hard day for you? You look at Jewel and see concern written all over his face. Yes, I'm sure. Besides, I don't know where else to look at this point. Okay, if you're sure, then we all drop you off at the coffee shop. Thank you, Joel. I promise to be in touch later. Joel drops you off at the coffee shop where you work and drives off with a wave. Once inside, you immediately put on your apron and get right to work. For a while, work consumes your thoughts and you are able to forget about that day's adventures. Toward the end of your shift, another friend of Coral's comes into the shop. Hi, Julie. Long time no see. Julie walks up to the counter and orders a cappuccino. And put a little extra cream in it, if you don't mind. You laugh a little and then make the order for Julie. So, where have you been keeping yourself? Julie takes a sip of her drink and then motions to a side table. Oh, just here and there. Do they allow you to take a break with customers? Smiling at Julie, you pull your apron over your head and then head to the table. It's okay. This is my normal break time anyway. I can't believe you still work here. I know, but I'm hoping to move into management someday. At least that's the plan. You watch as Julie sits her cup down and then you question her about Coral. Say, you haven't seen Coral today, have you? No, we had different plans this weekend, so I didn't plan on seeing her. You look down and your heart fills with your hopes. Is everything okay? You look like you have lost your best friend. Or maybe worse, your sister, like duh. When you don't answer her, Julie praises. What is this? Appreciates you for details. I don't know. For details. I don't know. That's Julie. You for details. Like okay, asks you for details. Coral is okay, isn't she? You sigh and look up at Julie. To tell you the truth, I'm not sure. She didn't come home last night and I haven't heard from her today. I was hoping maybe you had talked to her. Julie shakes her head no and then takes a sip from her cappuccino. Why don't talk every day? We don't talk every day, so it's not that unusual for me not to hear from her. Another dead end. I see. Did anything seem odd when you last spoke with her? With Coral? Actually, yes. The last time I spoke with her was last night, and she said she would had a flat tire. She sent a text message later saying her flat tire was no accident, and that's the last I heard from her. Julie grows quiet as she gets lost in her thoughts. Anything else? Yes. This morning, we found her scooter with a flat tire and with some damage in it was hidden in some bushes. I see. What is she getting at? Does any of this make sense to you? You seem to know more than you are saying. Slowly, Julie raises her eyes to meet yours. Did Coral ever mention an ex-boyfriend named Johnny to you? Wow, like really? Her sister? Like her sister didn't mention her ex-boyfriend. Wow. You have an awful sister, Lily. You really do. Coral is an awful sister. Okay. Johnny to you. You think for a moment before answering Julie. No, that name doesn't ring a bell. Well, that's not so surprising. She probably didn't want you to know about him. The tone of Julie's voice makes you shiver. Something tells me I'm not going to like what you have to tell me. Maybe you should prepare yourself. Your eyes open wide as you wait for Julie to continue. Well, she made me a promise never to reveal this, but she dated a real bad boy for a short period of time. I was right. I don't like the sound of this. Johnny was older than Coral, so that's probably why she never mentioned him to you. How much is older? He's 21. Your eyes nearly pop out of your head when you hear that this Johnny is older than you are. She was right. I couldn't have liked that at all. Julie continues with her information. Coral really seemed to like him a lot until the day he scared her. You suddenly feel chill in the air. Scared her? Yes. She said she was getting ready for school one morning in her bathroom. As she was drying her hair, she thought she saw something in the mirror. When she turned around, she saw Johnny watching her through the window. That dirty dog. You cringed Julie to go on with her story. Coral said she broke it off with him later that day and told him to leave her alone. Did he do that? Leave her alone, I mean? Julie shrugs her shoulders. Coral always flit like he was watching her from the moment on, so I don't really know. You jump up and begin packing, and Julie also gets up and walks around the shop. You are lost in your own thoughts when you hear Julie gasps and call you over to a wall of pictures. When was the picture taken? You look at the picture Julie is pointing to and see a picture of Coral surrounded by other people. That was taken at an undoubtedly pink last week. I took Coral as my guest to that event. Okay guys, we're gonna stop it here. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want. And I do a lot of things in this channel, so I hope you enjoy it, and please subscribe if you want. Bye guys, see you in the next episode of Caged Bird. Bye.